Hey team, welcome to FutureFunded. It's a pleasure to have you a part of our community, and today I'm going to run you through our brand new website and show you all the features and benefits that set us apart from the rest of the industry. Not only do we allow you to trade futures and FX, we help you with your education along the way. But rather than tell you about it, I'm going to show you. So let's go, let's jump in. So guys, as you can see, this is their website. There is a lot to go through, but the first thing I want to go through is their access trading. So we're going to click on this first and foremost. So guys, as you can see straight away, this is a feature that makes them stand out from the rest of the industry. So first and foremost, you can see on Access Trading, they have one place for all the trading education that you'll ever need. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't really know many prop firms that provide this much education on their platform. So let me scroll down and we'll have a see of what Access Trading is all about. Unlock your trading potential with Access Trading, the ultimate platform to master futures, options, and FX and stocks. Get daily videos and market recaps. Of course, they also offer in-depth technical analysis courses, access to past webinars, real-time news calendar, and a constantly updated newsfeed. Plus, enjoy all-day coverage through live squawk and direct messaging on our platform. Everything you need for your trading journey in one place. This includes staying connected with Access Trading messaging app, real-time chats, expert advice, and instant market updates, all at your fingertips. Now also, you've got Live Squawk. With your Access Trading membership, enjoy free access to Live Squawk, delivering real-time market news and updates throughout the day. Stay ahead of market-moving events with instant professional coverage, all included as part of your membership. There is also Access Trading, our technical analysis courses, equips you with the essential skills to analyze market confidently. You'll learn to read price chart, identify key patterns like support and resistance, and use powerful indicators such as moving averages and RSIs. The course also covers advanced chart formation and teaches you how to apply technical tools for better risk management. And of course, last but not least, community. All right, so Access Trading, you're not just a member, you're part of the thriving community of like-minded traders. Connect, share insights, and learn alongside fellow traders, all while receiving expert support. Our community fosters collaboration and growth, helping you sharpen your skills and succeed in trading. So I'm going to go a bit further down and I'm going to see what else Access has to offer. So let's have a look at their offers. Access Trading is your go-to platform for mastering futures, options, and stocks with daily videos, market recaps, and real-time insights. Elevate your trading game with all-day coverage and expert support. Cool. Daily market recaps. Stay on top of market movements with concise, easy to understand recaps of the day's trading activities. Our experts break down the most important events and trends, giving you the key takeaways you need to make informed decisions. Live trading sessions. This is the one I like. Watch real-time trading sessions where professionals execute trades, explain their strategies, and provide actionable insights into how they approach different market conditions. I don't know about you, but if you go to any other prop firm website, they don't really offer live trading sessions. And now you can see strategy videos. Learn different trading strategies that you can apply in your own trade, ranging from scalping and swing trading to long-term investments. These videos break down complex concepts into easy to follow steps and real-time market analysis. Our videos cover daily shifts in the market, providing you with the knowledge you need to navigate the volatile trading world with confidence. And lastly on this bit, technical analysis. All right, it's obviously a big one for most traders' strategies. I know it's a big one for mine. Learn the art and science of technical analysis with an in-depth video tutorials that cover everything from chart patterns to indicators and trading strategies. Whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, these videos are tailored to boost your skills. And obviously, guys, as you can see here, we've got the complete news calendar showcasing the live feeds as well. So it says stay informed and never miss a beat with Access Trading real-time news and constantly updated news feed. Track key market events and breaking news as they happen, all included with the membership. Okay, so far so good. Let's carry on and see what else they offer. And as we can see here, we've got reviews from people who are already in and signed up and how their journey have gone so far with FutureFunded. So as we can see, from the expert support to the live trading sessions, FutureFunded has helped me elevate my trading game. I am so grateful. To be honest with you, that is something, like I said earlier, with the live trading sessions that I really like as well. If we just have a look at a few more here, FutureFunded offers everything you need to succeed in the futures market, from incredible education to amazing account opportunities. As you can see, I think it's clear as day that FutureFunded, they're not just a prop firm, they're really an educational platform. They're not just making sure that you're actually passing the accounts, they're also honing in so much on the educational side of it, making sure that you understand and can implement a strategy that works for you on the long run. So guys, this was kind of one of the main things that I really wanted to go through on this website, because yes, as good as it is that they offer FX and futures, which is amazing, I don't think people truly understand the depth and the level of intensity that they go into with the education. It's something that gets written under the carpet so much, especially with most prop firms. So I'm really glad that I was able to go through this, and hopefully this gives you a bit of an insight as to how far they're willing to go to teach you to become a consistently profitable trader. I'm going to scroll back up to the top and I'm going to click on the main element of the website. Okay, so this is just a bit of an overview of the main page. As you can see, you've got an option to join the Discord if you want to, and obviously you've got the Get Funded. This just gives us a basic understanding of what it would look like if we were funded. So as you can see, we've got our dashboard, we'll have our trading account, we'll have our billing account, you can even refer someone, and we have an affiliate program as well. So not only can you refer someone, but you can also get paid through doing so. So now if I scroll down, just a few things that will make them stand out. So first and foremost, the first thing to me is no max or minimum evaluation days. All right, so that's quite a big one for me, because most prop firms, especially the ones that I've used in the past, they do normally have either a minimum evaluation day of about 4 or 5 days. Some can be longer, so that's quite a big one for me. No maximum request amount, so requested up to full above buffer profit after 14 calendar days. Profits up to 10,000 is all yours. So your first 10,000 in profits beyond the withdrawal threshold is entirely yours. After that, benefit from a generous 95% profit split. So guys, as you can see, not only are they providing a 95% profit split, which from my experience is one of the highest in the industry, they also have an up to $10,000 profit on your withdrawal once you begin. No set days for payouts. After 14 days, you may submit a request and it will be processed within 24 hours. Now, I know payouts are quite a big thing in the prop firm industry, so we want to make sure that they are legit and smooth and quick. To be honest with you, efficiency is kind of everything to me. So 14 days is absolutely perfect. No need to be any longer than that. And obviously 24 hours within process. Again, amazing, because some places can take sort of 4 to 5 business days. That is amazing. Ways that we can become funded. All right, so step 1, obviously you choose your challenge yourself. Step 2, you take the actual evaluation, showcase your skills, showcase that you can trade and that you can pass. Step 3, get verified. So this is where the team will verify you just to ensure that it's all okay. And then step 4 is actually being funded and receiving consistent withdrawals. So now if we go a little bit further down, we have our challenges themselves. So first thing that stands out, you can obviously choose FX or futures. All right, this comes down to your preference. Some people are FX traders, some people are future traders. I'm a bit of both. So this would definitely apply to me for both of these options, but for the time being, I'm just going to focus on futures. So as you can see here, you've got a 50k account, you've got a 100k account, you've got 150k accounts. Let me just run through the prices first. First and foremost, $60 for a 50k account. All right. Secondly, for £100,000 account, which is massive, let's be honest. For intermediate, you've got $150. So for the $100,000 account, which is absolutely huge and something that I always strived for when I was learning and trying to become a consistently profitable trader. And you guys, for $150,000 account, it's only $210. So it's actually really competitive if you compare that to most other prop firms in the industry. All right, especially for myself, normally a $100,000 account was normally around about $400 for me. So you can see how much of a difference it is there. But obviously, guys, this is obviously down to preference. You can play around with this yourself, pick whichever plan suits you, and then pretty much go from there. For example, you can choose a $100,000 account. You've got no max or minimum trading days, and there is no activation fee as well. All right, so that's just an example. You can play around with it, guys, and just choose the one that suits you the most. Payouts guarantee. Get paid within 24 hours and we'll add an extra $500 to your payout. All right, that's a big one. Not many places do that. Best trading platforms. Trade with Volume Tracker, Favorite 5, Match Trader for lightning fast execution and zero latency, ensuring seamless and stress-free trading. best trading conditions. We offer the best trading conditions, combining low spreads, fast execution, and unmatched reliability. Spreads is a big one for me, guys. Obviously everyone is different, but spreads has always been a good one for me. I'd always advise at least to look at a prop firm who do have low spreads. How much can you earn as a future funded trader? So this just gives you a bit of an outlook on what most of the traders who are already with FutureFunded on average are earning per month. So as you can see, on average, full-time traders have a monthly profit rate of 8.1%. You receive up to 90% of these profits. All right, so if it's on a 150,000 account, the average, which is around about 8.1%, so that's looking at a take home of $12,150. Guys, that's life changing. Think about what you can do with that. All right. And then of course, if we carry on a little bit further down, we can see we offer both futures and FX. Again, I'll bang on about this consistently. There are not many prop firms offering both futures and FX trading and separate platforms for it, or separate prop firm accounts for it. FutureFunded offers traders the flexibility to explore both futures and Forex, providing a diverse range of markets to suit trading styles. Whether you're looking to trade global currency pairs or key futures contracts, we've got you covered with top-notch support and resources. All right, and it just shows a little bit more in depth once you click on these about what they actually offer on the platforms. So how does FF compare with other companies then? First and foremost, profit target 6 to 8%, 14 days within your payouts, a 95% profit split, one minimum trading day. All right, 60 days copped withdrawals, and max trading drawdown 3 to 4%, which is quite big. As you can see, they've given you a bit of a comparison of when you do trade with others. So 10% profit target, 30 days payouts, which I know myself have had issues with before, with prop firms who not only do a 30-day payout, but then they also then do another 5 to 8 business working days for processing, which is nice and fun. 80% profit split. All right, that is kind of low. 5 minimum trading days. I spoke about this before. I said sometimes with other prop firms, they do normally do about 4 to 5 minimum trading days, 3 payouts, and 130 days copped withdrawals, and a max trading drawdown of 3%. All right, so as you can see here, we've just got a few more reviews. Well, I say a few, a lot more reviews. We've got Lisa W. I love the resources and courses available through FutureFunded. Axis Trading Technical Analysis course is a game changer. Emily R. The value you get with FutureFunded is unreal. Top tier education and 90% profit split and incredible account options. I couldn't be happier. All right, and as you can see, there's just a few more, well, again, I say a few, a lot more different reviews coming through. So now if I scroll down a little bit, become a professional Forex futures trader, take the leap and become a professional futures trader, master the markets, hone your strategies, and unlock the potential for financial growth in the exciting world of futures trading. And again, you can join the Discord, join the community, and have access to like-minded traders who are on the same mission like yourself. And of course, they have the newsletter as well. All right, so guys, that was obviously an overview of everything to do with FutureFunded, all that they offer, all the benefits, the futures, the FX, the educational platform. That's obviously, as you can see, the most important part, not just offering the trading prop firms itself and ways to pass it, but also offering the educational platform that you need to become a consistently profitable trader and be able to not only create but implement a strategy that suits you. So guys, that's FutureFunded's brand new website. As you can see, they really do stand out from the rest of the industry, especially when you can learn through the Access educational trading page, the fact that you can trade both futures and FX, and obviously not to forget how great some of the challenges are and how you can make them suit you as a trader. So guys, don't just take my word for it. Go check out the website yourself. Make sure to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our page. We're looking forward to having you on board as one of our traders.